Yo, I can't believe my eyes. Hey, story time. So I was there sitting, relaxing throughout this entire rainy season. And guess who released a song? Yailin, La Mas Viral. My Jamaican musician crush. Oh my goodness, bro. I was excited, like I was waiting. I was waiting so patiently. I was on her timeline, like waiting to see if she's gonna do an upload, and boom, finally, Yailin, you has given us a track, a beautiful track, and I'm excited for this one. Like, bro, yo, okay. So, guys, we're gonna react to this track, right? It's called Bing Bong. Bing Bong. Them dead. Okay, so without further ado, guys, let's go. Let's have an adventure together. Let's go.
Mi maldita hermana. Ay, 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 ay.
To be honest, I ain't gonna lie. The beat is sick. Yo, the beat. And her looks as well. It's different in this video. She looks different in this video. She looks even more dope in this video.
Bing bong, ay, bong bong. Bing bong, ay, bong bong.
Hey, one thing I rate about her, in fact, I rate everything about this woman, but one special thing I rate about this woman is that she's fire, bro. She's fire. I mean, like, when you speak about dancing, like, when you speak about being themselves, we speak of Yailin. She dances great, she dresses great, she sings great, and she also performs on some beautiful beats. Like, the beats are crazy. Yo, the beat is giving you the vibe to dance, my G.
Gátalo, gátalo. Muévelo, muévelo. Quiere darle pena. Quiere darle pena. Quiere darle pena.
Yo, the Jamaican queen is back again. The queen is back to her kingdom. I mean, like, she's back, bro. Like, I mean, like, she hasn't been anywhere, but a neat song. She gave us a neat song. I mean, like, it's crazy. And she's back with some excellent moves.
Quiere darle ven. Ay, te estoy esperando. Quiere darle.
Yo, bro. Come on, man. Come on. Yo, this is lava. This is lava. Oh my. Yo, this is lava. This is crazy, bro. This is crazy. I love to see what I'm seeing now. I love the display. I love everything. I love her music, bro. Like, her music is just, it is fun to listen, fun to watch, fun to be an entertaining person around. Yeah, that is her music.
Ven, cuero como yo casi no se ven. Si no aprovecharon cuando la aprendían que yo le di el break, pero lo perdí. Soy la PR, tu marido que te lo tiene fundido. Soy la PR.
Yo, this is giving a Brazil beat, right? This is giving a Brazil beat. And I'm going to ask a question. Do Jamaican music and Brazilian music have some form of resemblance? Because it's giving a Brazilian beat. And I do love Brazilian beat. The beat there is awesome. It's something that we should always move when we hear that beat. But she's a rap, bro. She's on the beat like it's crazy. This is a very well done musician, I gotta say. Yailin, do not play with this woman, bro. She's a queen after all, so why play with her, bro? Like, do not take her lightly. Come on, bro.
Agarre tu marido que te lo tiene fundido. Ay, 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 me está gustando.
Yo, I gotta say, I'm jealous of 6ix9ine because 6ix9ine, well, she's 6ix9ine's girlfriend, right? And to see 6ix9ine have this woman as his personal girlfriend, bro, be careful, man, because we Jamaicans, we come to steal and take your woman away from you, bro. Like, careful, man, nigga. Careful, bro. Careful, because what we're seeing now, it's tempting to go take this woman from you, bro. Like, get real, man.
Bing bong, ay, bong bong, ay, bing bong, ay, bong bong, ay, bing bong bong. Usted le entregó y no lo.
Yo, I can't believe my eyes here. I can't believe my eyes here, bro. Ooh, ooh.
Piso, esto copiadora la real soy yo. La que se vivió el maldita. Le doy nota a los cueros, no sé pa' que tú me retas. Ustedes le ponen fundita.
Oh, I want to see more. I want to see more. I love this song so much. It's smooth and it's awesome, bro.
Cuando le rompen la carrera. Bing bong, bom bom. Bing bong, cuando le rompen la carreta.
Wow. Whoa. Right in front of me. Right in front of me. This is some show. Some Disney show. Like, it's so colorful that you are literally be blind by these colors. Like, she's colorful, bro. Like, you gotta be blind. Like, you have to be blind while watching this because the lights that is being displayed from this woman, bro, it's too bright for the eyes to penetrate on. Whoa.
Gátalo, gátalo.
Oh my god, what the music, nice, bro. The musicians here, they are doing some great job, bro. Like, they are making the music even more entertaining.
Muévelo, muévelo. Quiere darle, ay, quiere darle, quiere darle, quiere darle.
Yo, and the rain even makes it more awesome, bro. To look at these female doing some excellent dances. The rain make it even more wetter. Bra, bra, bra.
Pantera, síguelo puyando que aún está botando sangre. Dímelo, Jay.
Wow. Wow. Yo, I love her music. I love her music so much. Well done, Yailin. Well done. You have outdone yourself again. So, if you all enjoyed this reaction, always remember, leave a like. And if you guys want more reaction from me pertaining to Yailin, subscribe, hit that bell icon to be notified of whenever time a Yailin video reaction has been done, so you won't be missing anything. You'll be the first to be notified of a reaction when it comes down to Yailin. And share this to a friend, to a Jamaican friend, letting them know that a Jamaican guy respects and rates Yailin's music, so we can all be staying connected here. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.